Today we will discuss about the glycolysis. Actually, it's a most important topic, especially in nursing students and other medical students. So let's start our class. Glycolysis. Glyco means glucose and lysis means broken down. Means the glycolysis it can be divided into a glyco and lysis. Glyco means glucose and lysis means breakdown. Means breakdown of glucose to produce energy. So in that glycolysis, actually it takes place in the cytosol of the cell. So and also it's a metabolic pathway because it produced energy. That's why we are called as metabolic pathway. So the glycolysis which occurs in two phases. Okay, first phase and second phase. So the first phase, so when the glucose which is converted into a glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Okay, so the phosphate group which is added by using of energy. So you will see the second phase. So the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate which is converted into a pyruvate. So in this reaction the energy which is produced, okay, so the energy which is produced in second phase. So then we will see the glycolysis reaction. So in that glycolysis reaction, the glucose which is produced into a glucose 6 phosphate by the enzyme hexokinase. Okay, so the glucose which is produced into a glucose 6 phosphate by the enzyme hexokinase. Hexo means 6. Okay, kinase means actually the kinase, a group of enzymes that catalyze the phosphorylation reaction. Okay, a group of enzymes that catalyze the phosphorylation reaction. So the glucose 6 phosphate which is produced, so when the ATP which is generated which is utilized, okay, ATP utilized, they converted into a ADP. So the glucose 6 phosphate, they are converted into a fructose 6 phosphate, okay, by the enzyme isomerase. So the fructose 6 phosphate which is converted into a fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, okay, by the enzyme phosphofructokinase. Actually the addition of one fructose ring, so that's why the fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. So there is a energy which is utilized, means there is a conversion of ATP into a ADP. So the fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, okay, they are actually which is splits into a two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate, okay, by the enzyme aldolase which is catalyzed. So the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate which is isomerase, actually which is isomerized. Okay, this is the first phase of energy which is consumed. Okay, so ATP, one molecule of ATP which is consumed means utilized, and another molecule of ATP which is utilized. There is a two molecules of ATP which is utilized. So we will see the next phase. Actually glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate which is isomerized. So the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, they are actually every molecule of glucose which splits into a two molecules. Okay, so the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate which is converted into a 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. Okay, 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. So by the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate phosphodehydrogenase. So when the NAD which is reduced into a NADH. So when the inorganic phosphate which is utilized. So 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate which is converted into a 3 phosphoglycerate by the enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase. So when the ADP which is produced into a ATP. So first phase we will see ATP which is consumed, and you will see the second phase which is ADP which is converted into a ATP, means ATP which is produced. So the 3-phosphoglycerate which is converted into a 2-phosphoglycerate, okay, by the enzyme phosphoglycerate mutase. So the 2-phosphoglycerate which is converted into a phosphoenol pyruvate, so by the enzyme enolase, okay, the ion which is Mg+2 means magnesium which is utilized. So the phosphoenol pyruvate which is converted into a pyruvate by the enzyme pyruvate kinase. So when the ADP which is converted into a ATP. Okay, you will see the first phase ATP which is utilized. You will see the second phase ATP which is consumed. Okay, so this is a second phase energy which is produced. Okay, energy which is produced, second phase. So you will see the net reaction. Okay, in this net reaction you will see the molecules of glucose 6 carbon, the molecules of 6 carbon glucose, they are splits into 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound pyruvate. Okay, so the net utilization of 2 ATP, since 4 ATP used in the second phase. So the 2 ATP are produced in first phase. So the net use only 2 ATPs. So the 2 molecules of inorganic phosphate, okay, which is utilized, and the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide which is reduced into a NADH. Guys, I feel that it is not only my channel, actually it is our channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel.